Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to become an Airbnb host. Becoming an Airbnb host is a great way to earn extra income by renting out your home, room, or even a property to travelers from around the world. If you want to become a host and get started hosting on Airbnb, then here's how you do it. Before starting to host, you will need a room, an apartment, or property you can legally rent. You must have a smartphone or computer with internet access, clear photos of your space, a government-issued ID for verification, and basic understanding of local rental laws. Then, you can go ahead and visit the Airbnb website or open the Airbnb app, sign up using your email, phone number, Google or Apple ID, and verify your email and phone number. Once you are done with that, you can easily switch to hosting mode. From the home page after logging into Airbnb, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right or at the top right corner. Once you're inside the profile section, go ahead and tap on Become a Host option at the top. Now, in order to get started and become a host, you need to go ahead and share some of your basic info, add 5 or more photos plus a little title and description, and choose a starting price, verify a few details, then publish your listing. Click on Get Started, and on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and tell something about your place. Go through the information it has and then select what best describes your place. After making a selection, click Next. On the next page, answer the question on what type of place will the guest have. It can be a room or a shared room in a hostel. Make a selection and tap Next again. Now, enter your address. Locate where your place exists within the map. After finding your place in the map, go ahead and select your place, or you can also enter your address in the text box at the top manually. Now, confirm your address on the next page, and once you are done with your location selection, tap Next and follow through the other instructions. Now, select how many people can stay in your place, the number of bedrooms you have that you can rent out, number of beds, and so on. You can also mention some extra questions such as does every bedroom has a lock or not, and tap Next again. After answering all of the questions, go ahead and add some photos of your property. You can add some photo from your camera roll, or you can also take new photo by tapping on Take New Photo and take a picture from your camera and upload it onto your Airbnb. After having the photos ready, go ahead and answer the rest of the questions. You can set your price and availability, write a clear listing description, and finally, after verifying your identity, you will be able to publish your listing. And that's how you can easily become an Airbnb host and get started the right way. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.